Hello everyone, Mind this side. This video is for all the EV Saksham participants. I'm going to introduce you today with EV Saksham Wars. During the workshop, it's not just about building electric vehicles, but it's about showcasing your innovations, creativity, as well as teamwork. And for that, we have launched 3 competition which you will participate during your 5 days of EV Saksham workshop. Competition 1, EV Shark Tank, where you will showcase your business idea of building an EV company. Competition 2, the Evoke Challenge, where you will showcase your journey, your team spirit through presenting your content on social media. And competition 3, the Showstopper EV Challenge, where you will design the aesthetics of your vehicle and build it to a level where it can kill the show. So let's go event by event in detail. Make sure you go through this video till the end so that you can understand what are the criterias, details, rules for all these 3 competitions. Competition number 1, EV Shark Tank. Say in this competition, you will be given 15 minutes of time to pitch like a proper Shark Tank. You will have your idea of building an electric vehicle manufacturing company. You will showcase how you're going to build the whole company from your product to problem statement to your 5 years of projection plan and everything. For that, we have created a format which we are giving for a reference. You can use this format for the reference, and all the slides, what all need to be mentioned in these slides are present. And you have to follow these guidelines to make sure that you abide all the rules. The presentation should be shared with us before the day 3 ends of your workshop. The presentation will happen on day 4 of your workshop between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. online by the team sitting in Bangalore. And the participants, you will be having maximum of your 4 team members in this presentation. Make sure that these are the criterias on which we are going to evaluate you. Go through these criterias and accordingly build your whole presentation. For winners, you will be getting a mentorship, an online meet directly with capable founders, someone who have built multi-million-dollar companies in last 12 years, worked with various startups, and they have their experience and exposure, which you can gain from them by having a one-on-one meeting with them. That is sort of a winning prize from our side, where you can have a mentorship from the capable founders. Second, letter of appreciation from capable to all the Shark Tank team members. And third, we will be giving you an industry endorsed certificate of excellence. So these are the 3 things given to the Shark Tank team members exclusively. Next, the Evoke Challenge. Very interesting challenge. This will be led by your marketing team, and a design team of yours can support it. So what is this challenge? Before we get into the challenge, understand like whatever you are doing there in the workshop for 5 days, you're building an electric vehicle from scratch. You are those 1% student in the engineering journey. There are 10 lakh students who graduate every year. There are 40 lakh engineers who are studying in engineering. You are among those 1% who have this knowledge of and exposure of building the EV. So why we should not showcase it to the world? That's why we have created this competition. So when a recruiter checks your LinkedIn, they should see what you have done during your engineering. When your friends see your Insta reel, they should finally believe you are doing something big in your college. And when your parents watch, they say कि यार बेटा लग रहा है अब engineering कर रहा है, right? So what is this event? During these 5 days, you will be creating multiple reels of your journey and you will be showcasing it. And we have created a structure of the reels which you have to create. So what type of reel you will be creating? Type 1, a daily summary reel. In the daily summary reel, you will be showcasing the whole journey from morning to evening, what you have done in form of a pumping, good graphic transitions reels, which is showcasing that you are doing something really cool. Reel number 2, daily team testimonial video. This is very different from reel number 1. In this reel, you will be explaining that what you have done throughout the day, how much work you have done on the vehicle, what is the progress of your vehicle for that particular day. 2, 3, 4 members of your team can explain in a very creative way. And plus, you're also telling your experience, how you like the workshop, how much you're enjoying, how much you're learning throughout the day. Make sure there should be no background noise. it should not be like you're recording the video and there is a lot of background noise coming from other team members. It should be quite silent and you're explaining so that the video quality is good and people can easily listen to your video. Third type of reels, team photos and candid moments. Throughout the day, you guys are going to do multiple things and you will have multiple happy moments, enjoying, working together, fighting, whatever you guys are doing. Make sure someone from your team are capturing those moments because that will stay with you for your whole lifetime. So that is a third type of photos which you have to create. This is photo centric post. Reel number 1 and 2 are more of video centric post. Reel number 1 is more of like with the background music, pumping transition where you are showing what you have done in a cool way. Reel number 2, you are explaining what you have done, more of like an explanatory video with your testimonial. Reel number 3, it's photos, candid photos, and capturing the whole moment. Reel number 4, this reel will be for your fourth or fifth day. When your vehicle is ready and it is in running condition and you guys are driving it. So shoot some really crazy reels of running the vehicle, testing it, doing some work, put some cones, do some steering maneuverability and many other things. You can do the skid pad, you can do checking the braking, whatever you would like to do, you can do and make some really good reels of testing the vehicle. Reel number 5 is more of like a final after movie where you all the 5 days of your memories, you are recording and compiling them in a 2 to 3 minutes video, summarizing your entire journey. And extra efforts, extra points, keep your the Insta page which you will create for your team, keep it active by putting unlimited story, highlights, etc. Now, what is the posting schedule and how you have to do it? You have to create your team post Instagram page or profile. You will decide your team name and you will create a profile for it. And from day 1 to day 4, every day you will be posting your daily summary reel, daily testimonial video, and you can post alternate days some candid photos of your team. On day 5, you have to post your crazy test drive reel and you have to post your special testimonial video, compilation of all your team members' journey, what you have done, how you like the program, how much you enjoy, how much you learned. That is what you have to create for all team members and you have to post it. And third reel, which you have to post it on day 5, is your final after movie. So these are the total posts which you will be doing and making your whole page live. That Instagram page of your team is going to stay forever as a memory that how much you enjoyed and what you have done during this whole workshop. So the guidelines for this that you have to set up your Instagram page, you have to create a bio, or you can write a team under EV section program by Capable India. Each reel or each photos you're posting, you have to collaborate Capable India in it. You have to use known copyrighted musics, include both Capable's logo and your team's logo. If you have a team logo, create it on the day 1 and try to put it on your videos from day 1 itself. Team hashtag. So tag and hashtag, always tag Capable India. Use these hashtag while posting. Posting schedule, you will be posting around 2 to 3 post, like 2 reels, 1 post like that every day. And don't post them same at a time. Keep some frequency. One you're posting at 4 p.m., second you're posting at 7 p.m. like that. You can have some time gap between them so that it could reach. And finally, once you're done with the day posting, share your all the links of the post. We have created a dedicated social media WhatsApp group for you, and your team members of Evoke Challenge will be added in it. So you have to send your all the media links of that particular day in that WhatsApp group before 10 p.m. so that we know that how many posts you have done today and we can track your post. Engagement, you can help your team, other members, you can help other teams by sharing, liking, subscribing, whatever you want to do to make it engaging and live. This is your Instagram. Now, if I talk about LinkedIn posting and tagging rules, post only one video on LinkedIn. You don't have to post every day like Instagram. You just have to post one video on LinkedIn, either your final after movie or any video which you feel like will bring you the most visibility and appreciation. Only one video you post it on day 4 or day 5. And you can post it either any of your Evoke team members' profile or you can post it on all the Evoke team members' profile, whatever you want to do. Write a short professional caption and tag Capable, and you can tag your team members, all the 20, 30 team members you have. You can tag your college official page. You can also tag your faculties, HODs, principal, whosoever you want to. You can add tag n number of faculties so that they can finally know that you are not dumb as they, they think. And you will earn bonus point for it. I'll explain you what are that. So what are the bonus marks? If while posting on LinkedIn, if any of your college faculty appreciate you, then you're going to get 10 additional marks for each comment you are going to get from your faculties. So that is the bonus marks you are going to get. That is why we ask you to post only one reel on LinkedIn and get it shared with everyone you want to. Consistency, you are going to get marks, 100 marks for that. Creativity and design, 100 marks. Engagement, 200 marks. For your each like, each share, each comment, you are going to earn marks on Instagram. And for each comment on LinkedIn from your faculty, you are going to get 10 marks. Cumulatively, whosoever have the maximum number of marks, he is going to get 200 points. Okay. And editing, 100 points. Like this total competition is of 500 points. What is there for winners? Cash prize of 3,000 rupees to the winning team, letter of appreciation to all the social media members, and industry endorsed certificate of excellence. This cash prize of 3,000 rupees is a token of gratitude from our side so that your whole team of 20-30 members can enjoy and have some snacks as a winning treat. So results will be announced on day 6. Workshop is of 5 days, but we are giving you time till day 6, and the result will be announced 4 p.m. Day 6. We are going to count all your likes, comments, shared till day 6 morning 11 a.m. So you can share till then, and you will have good enough time to promote your page. And the result will be announced at 4 p.m. on day 6. Team must upload all raw and edited content. One more thing. In the social media WhatsApp group which we have created, we are going to share a drive link there. You make sure that all the raw data you have of your videos and photos, you should upload it in that drive before day 5, 11 p.m. Late submission may lead to reduced marks because this is very important for us to collect all your data. Next competition, Showstopper EV Challenge. So till here, you got to understand about 2 competitions, and both are really interesting. This is something where all the team members would have their memory on the vehicle. So we call it as Showstopper EV Challenge. Your car is your baby. You have built something for the very first time, and we want you to keep it as a memory. In this competition, the vehicle which you have built, you are going to put your logos, stickers, graphics, photos of your team members, whatever you want to do. You can do. You have full freedom to use any paint, any color on the whole vehicle, and any graphics, logos. You can do that with your own choice and make your vehicle look superb. We call it as showstopper. And these are the guidelines which you have to follow and collaborate with your business or marketing team, the Shark Tank team. What is the theme of your company and etc. You can reflect that theme on your vehicle as well. And these are the guidelines you have to follow. Simple goal that you make your vehicle eye-catching and meaningful design at the field. Evaluation criteria. These are the 5 criterias: logos, theme, design, logic, aesthetics. So for all these 4 criteria, so you will be getting around 250 marks for it. And what's there for winner? We are going to provide you 1 month of Canva Pro free access, 1 license, special features of your vehicle photos on Capable's Instagram page. Your vehicle will be featured on Instagram. Letter of appreciation to the complete store shopper team of 4 to 6 members, and industry endorsed certificate of excellence to all the 4 to 6 members of your showstopper team. So that's all from our side. Important points to notice. These are the rules. You can have a maximum of 6 members in each competition. No team member should allow to be part of more than one competition. Winner will be declared separately for each competition. If you have any query related to the competitions, you can connect with us on Capable support number. And you have to finalize your whole team for the program. This is the format which we have created. These are the guidelines. Mention your team name here, name, email, mobile, team name, everything. And which department you are from, chassis, suspension, transmission. You can decide you want to be of which department, and what is your designation in that department. Are you the captain, vice captain, team member, or department head? Okay. And then the competition. Are you part of any competition, any one of these? And what is your designation of the competition? Are you the competition head, or you are part of as a team member? So this is a sheet you have to fill so that we can get clear visibility of your team. So that's all from our side. And I wish you all a very good luck. This is a very detailed video. Go through it in detail so that you can understand how your 5 days can be super exciting along with your journey of building the vehicle. Become EV Saksham. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.